guys hear that? Listen to this. Oh, now it's not fucking making it. Speed 3 life, man. Speed 3 life. Man, I love this car, man. Don't get me wrong. Like, it's my baby. I love it, but yo, owning a Speed 3, man, is definitely has its pros and cons, man. I'll say that shit. So, I'm just chilling right here, man. Chilling outside. Kind of getting eaten by mosquitoes right now. Yeah, I'm sorry if the lighting's not that. Is it better like this? I don't know. Yeah, speed's kind of fucked right now. It still drives well. You can take it from point A to point B, but man, the sounds it makes, bro, is pretty bad. So if you guys missed my previous video where I said I was fixing my Speed 3, I mean, we fixed one of the problems, but that problem was basically causing little to none of the noises. I mean, yeah, didn't really fix it, to be honest. So if you guys watched my previous video, I'm pretty sure it's from the camber plate. The camber plate's loose, it's all fucked up, it's causing all the noises, and then as you saw when I steer and shit, it makes like a million noises of creaking. Like it is so bad. Yeah, to be honest, I didn't even know what to record this weekend, but I'm like, man, the speed is being so fucking shit right now. Like, may as well just talk about it, and I'll give you guys another life update, because this week's been crazy. But yeah, I haven't been able to line a day with Jose yet to help me out, because he's busy with work. It is what it is, you know. He's got his own life going on, so I'm not going to interfere with that. But yeah, we've just been trying to line up a day, hopefully next weekend. So another week of dealing with the creaking and the clunking and the thump, like all those noises, man. It's pretty bad, man. I can't lie, bro. I can't lie. Here, I'll actually show you guys. I'll show you my. So I actually found out. Oh, you probably can't even see me. If I can find you. So right here, I have my stock top hats that I'm gonna swap on it when I put on my new brake rotors as well. And then hopefully, if it stops making noises, I get an alignment. It's good for the track, but yeah, it's looking slim, bro. Yeah, let's just say, bro, like owning a Speed 3, you know, it's fun. The car is like reliable. The thing that I'd always forget is, you know, I'm replacing good OEM shit with aftermarket stuff that's bound to break at some point. So it's not really the car's fault, it's my fault. Something that I've learned with modifying cars, and that you guys have obviously mentioned in the comments. But yeah, I mean, bro, other than the noises, the car drives great, pulls hard all day, you know, it rips, but it's just the noises, man. So literally every time I drive, wherever I go, music's on full blast. I just pretend it's not there. But today it was acting really bad, even overloaded the music, let's just say that. But yeah, the moon looks nice right now. I mean, fuck, I don't know. But yeah, guys, little life update. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you would know that I landed my second job. So you may be thinking, okay, so for anyone that really follows me, they know I was in school for trucking. And brother, let's just say, like, I came to the realization, and I kind of just admitted to myself that, like, I truly really never liked it. I kind of just did it because I felt like it was the easiest way to make, you know, good money, and like, I'm in the car, so maybe trucking is a good alternative, like working on trucks and shit. But realistically, man, like, I just wasn't passionate about it. I was just not super interested in it. It just wasn't for me, man. So right now I work a forklift job, and like, to be honest, I really love forklift jobs. Like, I'm really good at it. I'm like a whiz with any forklift, reach, counterbalance, dock stalker. I'm literally a whiz with all of them, okay? And like, I'm a worker, man. Like, I know how to outwork anyone in a warehouse job, or just any job in, like, labor job, I would say, because I just know how to put my mind to certain things. I'm not even boasting myself. I just just something I work good at. So I'm like, like, you know, I like my job, like my forklift job, but like long term, it's gonna have a cap that like I can't really live off of. You know what I mean? So I'm like, like I don't want to work 2 full-time jobs because like I'm just gonna hate life. Like, yeah, sure, it's good money, but you know, I want to be able to live life, I would say. So, you know, I'm like, okay, I'll get a part-time job. I'll look for a part-time job. You know, maybe I'll get lucky. We'll see what happens. So, you know, I go on Indeed, part-time forklift or part-time warehouse. Metro pops up. So Metro is, if for anyone that doesn't live in Canada, Metro is like one of the biggest like grocery stores. Like I literally go to Metro every day for my groceries. The warehouse they were hiring part-time, and the nice thing about that job is even though it's part-time, you get full benefits, vacation days, sick days, all the stuff you would get with full-time, and it's unionized too. So I'm like, this could work out. So I press apply, you know, I put in my application, whatever. They get back to me. I'm like, okay, this could work. And then, you know, I get the interview, we talk about the hours. Literally, bro, like it's literally like a match made in heaven, bro. So that job, so my full-time job, I work afternoons. So I work 3:30 to 12. Sometimes a little earlier I finish, sometimes a little later I finish. It just depends on the day. But with this part-time job, I managed to line just 3 days a week, and I work 6 to 2. So I was really happy about that because one, getting a good job, good pension, like union, like all the good stuff you want in a good job. On top of like my full-time job where I have benefits and, you know, all that shit. It just worked out really well with my schedule. So I'm essentially working 6 days a week, around like 60 to 65 hours, I would say. You know, on average, I would say. Yeah, it really worked out well, man. I'll say that. I took a tour of the place. I had my orientation on Monday. I really like the job, man. I really like it. And I'm also really content with my full-time job. It's just a good balance. Like it sounds like it's a lot of hours, and it is for sure. But let's just say, bro, like I'm really happy about how the way things turned out. To be honest with you, like I was really scared, but like let me keep it a stack between you guys. Like for the amount I'm making, I'll make it short and sweet. So between the 2 jobs, I'm getting paid what a licensed tech would make, which is usually around like $40 an hour. So between those 2 jobs, I'm not killing myself. I still have, you know, free time to myself, and I'm already making, bro, excluding my YouTube, like what a licensed tech would make. So it was kind of a no-brainer, man. It was really a no-brainer. And these are 2 jobs I can build upon. Whatever like has a better opportunity, I'll do full-time when I can work my way up. That's just in the future. But for right now, guys, like money's coming in good, and let me tell you guys, like it is so tempting now to like be like, bro, I got all this income coming now. Like, yo, I could ball it on the speed. I could get a Focus RS, but I know it's not a good idea. Like, I want to move out. I want to buy a house. It's not worth it. I'll still do shit to this car, but not like crazy shit because my priorities have shifted. Like, obviously, I want to be in the car scene, modify my car, do shit like that. But the end goal is to buy a house at some point. So it's kind of where I'm at, bro. I mean, other than that, man, like I'm living good, man. You know, I'm working out, got the career now. I got the speed, even though it's all fucked up right now, but that's all good. Yeah, I'm just living life, man, to be honest. Like, I'm just living life to the fullest. Just, bro, I literally made a list of, like, I swear to God, I literally just sat down one day. I'm like, yo, like, I want to build my life like a perfect cake, bro. Like, I want to have all the perfect ingredients to make my life like the best version I want. So, like, you know, if something bad happens to me in my life, like, at least I know I had that cake with all the ingredients, you know, the good job, you know, working out, feeling good, looking good, all that shit. Like, literally, I sat down, I wrote it on my phone. I'm like, yo, these are the things, like, I want to get, like, I want to just improve my life, like my job, starting to work out, go for runs, eat more proper, save more money, watch more TV, even watch, like, more TV shows, go out more, be more confident in myself, just shit like that, man. I'm just trying to level up my life, man. Like, I feel like I'm making really good progress with that shit. And, yeah, I mean, like, the social media is, like, the Instagram's definitely growing. The YouTube is, like, kind of stagnant right now, I'll be honest with you guys. But You know, working towards it. I really gotta start TikTok. I really gotta start that shit, but piece of shit chair. If you know, you know. I mean, other than that, I mean, the speed's looking good. I mean, it's hella dirty right now because it's been raining like all freaking week. Typical, but you know, she's looking pretty. A little dirty, but you know, we love her anyways. Yeah. Look at these. Look at the wheels, man. Like, these are just so dirty, man. Like, tires are dirty as shit. Like, just, she's a daily, man. What can you do, bro? What can you do, man? I mean, also have to redo my PPF. You guys see that peeling right there? Yep, gotta redo that. But there's the speed, guys. She's looking pretty, boys. She's looking pretty. I always forget that, like, I have demon eyes as well. I never use it, but she's a real demon, you know what I'm saying? Looks pretty good. I hate these iPhone cameras, man. Like, do you see that glare right there? Like that, like, yo, when I put on my custom lights, like, the camera does not do it justice, like, one bit, man. But there you go. Looks pretty, I don't know what the fuck's going on in there, but it looks pretty cool. Pretty sick, man. She looks beautiful, but she's not driving beautifully right now. Let's just say that. This is the sound of the police. Whoop, whoop. This is the sound of, yeah, okay. I actually made a, well, I'm going to make a reel tomorrow with my cop lights, as I like to call it. Sorry, is this annoying to you guys? I don't know if this is like annoying to watch right now. If you guys want a little interior check, don't worry, guys. You know, I keep the car clean. I'm keeping her spiffy, you know. She's looking all right. Pretty clean. Pretty clean. These bugs are eating my legs alive. Yo, look at it, yo. Look at this bruise, yo. I don't want to gross anyone out. I'm gonna warn you right now, it's kind of gross. Look at this. Where is it? Where is it? What the fuck is it? Yeah, you see that? Ooh, okay, that looks gross. Okay, I'm gonna stop showing that. Yo, I'm gonna get like a little startup. I'm gonna show you guys just like idling the car. Like, I feel like people like that shit when like you literally just record the car idling. So. Yo, now the lighting's better. Yo, I just got a haircut like, does it look good right now? I got a haircut like a week ago. It's looking pretty good, man. I get a haircut every 3 weeks. I know it's expensive. I literally went from paying $0, getting a haircut once a month from my mom, to paying, I don't even want to say how much I pay for a haircut every 3 weeks, but I'd say it's worth it, boys. Look at that moon though. Wait, focus. Yo, this camera sucks, bro. Can't even show the moon, man. God damn. All right, guys. Well, that's all I have for you today, to be honest. A little short video. Here's me in the bay. Now the day one, my baby. I love this thing, but she's got, yo, what the fuck? Yo, big spider. Yo. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Stay consistent. Peace.